Tips and tricks on how you could fight diabetes. Diabetes is a very serious and potentially devastating disease that afflicts millions of people worldwide. Although being diagnosed with diabetes is often very scary, it does not have to be. You can still enjoy a great quality of life. It is important for diabetics to fully understand their disease and learn how to take proper care of their health. The following video contains a number of tips for dealing with diabetes. Get a few almonds to satisfy your cravings without upsetting your blood sugar levels. Almonds, and a lot of other nuts for that matter, are very high in protein and fiber, and they contain zero sugars. Always keep some almonds handy around the house so you always have them when you're struck with the urge to snack. There is no shortage of foods with lots of protein, including lean meats, dairy products, and vegan options like tofu. Look into other protein-rich foods to keep variety in your diet and to keep yourself from packing on the pounds. A diabetic needs to take responsibility for their condition and their treatment. Therefore, it is up to you to ensure that you know absolutely everything there is to know about diabetes. Keep up on the latest developments in medical journals so you can ask your physician for any care you think might assist you. If your doctor tells you that your diabetes pills aren't doing enough to keep your blood glucose levels in check, don't panic. You won't necessarily have to use needles, as insulin pens are now available that give you the dose you need without being painful. If you can't afford these pens, some pharmaceuticals have programs to assist you, like Needy Meds. As was mentioned in the beginning of this video, diabetes is a serious medical disorder that affects millions of people throughout the world. The key to managing diabetes, and living a long, healthy life in spite of the disease, is to educate yourself and learn the proper ways to care for your body. Follow the advice in this video, and you will be well on your way to living a healthier, happier life. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.